Tico Samara from Tiger Family, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial about how to play the cheese escape. Okay, so first, you're going to be like right here, right? So, basically, you're going to go here. There's going to be like a grey key, so you pick that up. Then, you go here, oh, not here, I forgot. Here. And it's going to be like a door. Then you put your grey key there. We have to collect the cheese. Okay, so then you go in. Then there's gonna be like some lamps. So for the lamps, you just follow the lamps basically. So like that stuff. You collect the cheese and the red key. But I think, yeah, that's it. Then you go in here. Then for this, you're gonna have to need a plank. So there's no point of trying to like go here because there's gonna be like a barrier. So like, just like fall. Okay. Now for the red key, you're gonna look for like a red door. I've played this game like a lot. So yeah. So you do here, and then there's a blue key here. So you get the blue key, right? And I just saw the blue door. It was like right here, right around the corner. Somewhere here, I think. Just go in here. So yeah, in here. And then you get your plank. And that's when you go back. Sometimes that can happen. Like, who cares? It's fine. Just collect this cheese as well. Yeah, but luckily I respawned because it's literally right now. So you go back to the grey door and you go in right. Then you follow the lamps again. Then you go in here. So then you'll respawn to here. So then just put that down and then go over here. Now I've got a purple key. So now just get it down. Then try to find a purple door. Oh, the mouse is right there, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I was so scared. Guys, you okay? Okay, then you take this, and then where is it? Okay, so sorry about that, but now you just find like if I can find it now. Okay, it has to be here then somewhere. Oopsies. Yes, it's here. Okay. So you grab up this and you go through here. You put your white key here and you get your like crowbar. Then you start breaking these. Then you get your orange key and your cheese. And you get your green key here. And with your orange key, you go in here. And it's just cheese, right? So now, you can get down. Sorry about my throat. And now, oh shoot. Oh no. But in here, oh not in here, what am I doing? Okay. So in here, you go, and here's the green. So I just get in. Then it's the yellow key. Just Then I get this and I go, oopsies. Lucy's coming for me. Oh shoot. He's just chasing me. Okay, I think I can get in. Oh shoot. Guys. Yes. So I made it to the yellow door. And now there's a cheese and a brown key. Oh my goodness. He's everywhere now. I'm trying to get through. Oh shoot. God, look at him. He's trying to get through. So now I am at the brown door and I just collect my cheese. And I'm going to be like, oh, there's no key here. Because you need to go. Oh, not here. You need to go back to oh shoot. You need to go back to this grey door and you go in here. Then you follow the lamps and you ignore that door and you reach it. And with your crowbar you stop breaking this. Then you go in, and then in here there's like an obby that you have to complete. Guys, I recommend putting your brightness up so it's easier, like mine. Oops. Because it's so much easier to see. Like, see? And you can do that. Guys, you have to be a bit careful. Oh shoot, it's kind of hard. Oh my goodness, guys, it's kind of hard. Okay, and then you collect your cheese. Now, I can escape. So now, I need to go and find. Oh, the rat is right there, bro. Bro. Goodness, he's actually chasing me. Oh my goodness. Yo, that rat is trying to chase me. So, yeah. Now, you just look for. Oh my goodness, he's absolutely everywhere. Oh, he's so close. Look at him. Oh my goodness, he's right there. Okay, I'm actually going to have to go like that now. If you can like see it, but then it's really hard at the end to go find it again. Why is everybody running that way? Okay, maybe let's go in here. What the? Oh yes, found it. So if you don't know where it is, so just remember the safe zone in here, little hole, then you can escape. Then there's like, I don't know, this thing they have to walk through. Then you can teleport back to the game, or there's like levels here and you can redo the levels. So bye guys.